Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone 14 Pro Max runs the latest iOS so Dynamic Island behaves predictably. Then unlock the phone and position yourself at the home screen. The pill-shaped area at the top center is where events appear. Open an app that triggers system activity like music playback, a timer, or Face ID notifications so you can observe the island in action. Once done, watch how the island expands for interactions and readouts. This prepares you to control its features immediately. Now you actively use Dynamic Island. Tap the island to expand quick controls and see contextual content like song info or call status, because that access is faster than opening full apps. Press and hold when you need to jump into the app or reveal deeper options. This gives you hands-on control without losing context. If multiple activities appear, swipe left or right to cycle or dismiss them, and make sure to watch subtle animations. They indicate priority and help you predict what action will follow. To finish, close or return from the active app so the island collapses back to its default state. This keeps the top of the screen uncluttered. If the island freezes or displays stale information, restart your iPhone first because a reboot resolves many temporary glitches. Make sure apps are updated, and if network-related content won't refresh, reset network settings as a second step. One troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, toggle background app refresh off and on to force fresh event delivery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.